Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Stream King, Laderick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full Family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? I'm back, y'all. Welcome to How to Make Money Online with the Multiple Stream King. Yes, I'm back, y'all. Okay, listen, I know it's been a minute, all right, since I've talked to you all about MWR. All right, crazy part about it is I still have been getting leads every single day about this opportunity. Thanks to a couple of videos that I've put on YouTube, and I haven't done any in a while. So it's about that time because we are definitely in launch mode. Uh, Everybody's on fire, and so I said, you know what? It's time to get to it because January is fastly approaching. In 2020, we really want to take this thing to infinity and beyond. And so it starts now, all right? The momentum starts now. So what is MWR? It's the home of the instant pay raise, all right? If you have a job right now, we'll show you how to get an instant pay raise on your job without consulting your boss. Yep, I said it right. All right, our proven strategies to convert your existing expenses into legitimate home-based business tax deductions that can increase your take-home pay immediately. All right, so let's get to it. I just want to show you a few things that MWR has to offer, and I'm going to get to the money. Okay, you can watch the presentation by clicking on the link below, www.paidinfull.biz. That'll take you to it, and you can go ahead and watch the presentation and see exactly what we got going on right now. All right, I just want you to take a look at the money. All right, but there's going to be a link below for you to actually check out the presentation if you want more info. Okay, but what does MWR have to offer? Before I show you the money, let's show you, how we're getting paid because of what we're offering. We have products, all right, that are second to none because it deals with financial literacy. All right, everyone needs their finances in check, right? So we start with the Money Max. Okay, like I just told you all, the tax reduction strategies. All right. You have unlimited CPA. You get CFP advice on demand about virtually any financial matter, meaning you have your own financial advisor, okay, at your disposal. You fill out some information, all right, and they will contact you, and you can ask them about whatever financial matter you have. It's part of your membership, okay? Secondly, it's the Credit Max. All right, this is what really got our business booming right now because we offer credit repair, all right, and it's not a do-it-yourself credit repair. All right, I was a part of a company that had a do-it-yourself credit repair opportunity, but the thing about it was no one had the time, all right, to do their own credit. All right, there's a lot of ins and outs that go with it. All right, there's a lot of different letters and things that need to be mailed out. That takes some work. All right, and if you are, a full-time parent, full-time husband, full-time wife, working a full-time job, it's kind of hard to find some time, all right, to do your own credit. So the beautiful thing about MWR and what made me literally fall in love with this opportunity, all right, I think this was the icing on the cake for me, was the fact that they do the credit for you. All right, you're literally going to upload your credit scores. All right, you're going to download your ID, and you're going to give them your social, and you are good to go. All right, and they start working on your credit right away. Okay, let our experts restore, enhance, rebuild, monitor, and protect your credit. This here alone is worth the membership. Okay, this here alone is going to make you buku's amount of money. All right, because everyone, all right, is interested in fixing their credit. Okay, or knows someone that needs their credit fixed. Know someone that is tired of just getting any hand-me-down car, all right, because their credit is not what they want. They go to the dealership, they see the car they want, but the car salesman tells me, well, I'm sorry, but unfortunately, you can't get in this ride today, but we can put you in this bucket right over here, okay? No more of that, all right? Get your credit fixed, all right, with us, okay? Next is the Equity Max, all right? Debt elimination strategies. It's a detailed plan of action to eliminate all of your debts in record time, okay? And last but not least, we have the Wealth Max, which is the wealth generation plan and strategies. We're going to teach you how to save, grow, and protect your money tax-free with no risk of loss, all right? Doesn't that sound amazing? All right, we have something that everyone needs and wants, okay? Now, let's get down to business. Okay, so we'll go to my account real quick, and we're going to go to the business center. I'm going to show you all how you can actually make money daily. I'm getting paid every single day right now. Okay, every single day. Okay, and it's going to increase more and more and more. And once you watch the video, you'll be able to see it. All right, so I'm just going to show you this right here. All right, as you can see, my daily guarantee right now is $90. They're paying me $5 a day. How? Because I brought in 3 affiliates. All right, you have to bring in a minimum of 3 affiliates. All right, which meaning they get the services. All right, and they become an affiliate. All right, and then you need at least 1 customer. All right, so with 4 people, I was able to get $5 per person. All right, and it grows more. The more your team grows, the more your daily guarantees grow. So that's $150 a month right off the bat, not including getting the excuse me, fumbling my words, not including the money you get for the sign up, not including the money you get residually for keeping the team. Okay, like I said, I'm not going to go into all the specifics on it. I'd rather you watch the information below. There's a link below. Watch that. All right, it's going to give you all the information you need. Okay, right now, $90, man, that's not bad, man. $5 a day, $150 a month. You know what could you do with an extra $150 a month? All right, on top of your paycheck. We have all type of different bonuses, monthly vehicle bonuses. I mean, listen, I want you to see it, because I can talk to you, I'm blue in the face. I'd rather you visually see it. So listen, click on the link below, watch the little short presentation, all right, and then get with me soon after. All right, I look forward to partnering with you. All right, and I look forward to seeing you grow your income, your finances, and seeing that credit score go up to 800 or better. All right, see you all on the next video. It's your boy